Today I'm going to teach you how to use row-level formulas in Salesforce reports. Row-level formulas let you create custom calculations for each row in your report, which is incredibly useful when you need to analyze data that isn't available in standard fields. Let's start by opening Salesforce. Click the app launcher, which is the waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. From there, select Reports to access your reporting dashboard. Now we'll create a new report from scratch. Click New Report to get started. You'll be prompted to choose a report type, so go ahead and select Accounts. This will be the foundation for our custom formula. Once you've selected it, click Start Report to move forward. If you're not already in editing mode, click Edit in the top right corner. This ensures you have full access to all the customization tools we'll need. Next, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the Outline pane. This is where you control the structure of your report. Expand the Columns section by clicking the arrow next to it. Here's where the magic happens. Click Add Row-Level Formula. This opens up the formula editor where you can build custom calculations that will apply to every single row in your report. In the column name field, type account age, open parenthesis, years, close parenthesis. This will be the header that appears in your report. Now let's configure how the formula will display its results. From the Formula Output Type dropdown, select Number. Since we're calculating a numeric value, set decimal points to 2. So your results will show years with 2 decimal places for precision. In the formula field, you'll enter the actual calculation. Type open parenthesis today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, minus date value, open parenthesis, created underscore date, close parenthesis, slash 365. This formula calculates the number of days between when an account was created and today, then divides by 365 to convert that into years. Before applying this formula, click Validate. This checks your syntax and makes sure Salesforce can process the calculation correctly. If everything looks good, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Apply to add this formula column to your report. Finally, click Save and Run to execute your report. You'll now see your custom account age column displaying how many years old each account is, calculated in real time for every row. And that's it. You've successfully created a row-level formula that adds dynamic calculated fields to your Salesforce report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.